Open the cover. Unscrew the one screw, then slide the entire module. Press the pneumatic connector and slide the left module to remove one end of the Teflon tube. Press the pneumatic connector at the other end and remove the Teflon tube. Install the new Teflon tube and ensure it is properly seated. Tighten the one screw. Close the cover.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.